Hello guys, I'm very excited to share this project with you. Lighting for a dollhouse is kind of an issue if you don't want to wire your entire house. But with the introduction of LED battery operated lights, we can do a lot of different options. Now some of you have expressed that you don't like the tea lights because they're flickering and they have a yellow light. I found these are balloon lights or paper lantern lights, and I couldn't find them individually. I found this package of 12 pieces. They are white. They come with the batteries, and all you do to turn them on, and they give sufficient light. This light is not dim at all. It's very nice. I also found this pretty ornament in the wedding section. Now this is $1.49, but sometimes they put them on the on sale bin, and I got them for 50 cents. It is important that I pay attention to the price because when you add up so many different items inside your dollhouse, it can quickly add up. It has this little band of plastic, of rubber right here that unites the two sections. But since this is the area where I will be gluing these parts that will be the crystals on my chandelier, then I will be removing it. It also has a sticker that gives you the voltage of the batteries. I'm going to be removing that as well. The way you activate it is you just twist the bottom from the top, and there's the light. Very easy. This is going to be a quick project. Some of these are not very well twisted. I'm giving it a little help here to make sure that all the branches are going to stay together. Three of my branches are going to be cut exactly to the same length, and the length will be the length of the silver part right here. Okay. This is after I already twisted them and made sure that they're not going to separate the wires with the foil. 4 of them will be cut a little shorter, and the reason I'm doing that is because I want to give the appearance of layers on the crystals of the chandelier. So this is how the other ones were cut right here. So these ones we're gonna go a little shorter. So these are my shorter ones and these are my longer ones. My only challenge is going to be to put tiny little drop of glue. And when it's dry, do the next one. Hold it in place until it's perfectly dry against the body of the light. All of the branches are now glued on and dried. Time to start shaping it. Started trying to give the chandelier the shape that I wanted to, and then this fell off. So you cannot leave it just with the hot glue. If you have decorative tape that you can wrap around this area and make it more secure, by all means use it. I don't have any that matches this color. What I'll do is I'll use regular tape, and then with nail polish the same color as the rest of the light, then I'll paint it and you won't even be able to see it. This tape is a little too wide. I only wanted to cover the bottom portion of the light, because if I cover the top, then I won't be able to twist it on and off. Gotta make sure that these branches are secure, that they're not gonna fall off when I try to shape them. making sure that it's tight. Then at the end, just gonna add a dab of glue to make sure that it stays in place. Now, nail polish, the same color, so you won't even be able to see it. I'm using a regular paper clip to suspend the chandelier from the ceiling. Take measurement on what the distance from your ceiling to where you want your chandelier to be before you cut it. Then this part is going to be right here, and I'll make a tiny little twist. And this part I bent it flat, so this is the part that's going to be touching the magnet that I put on my ceiling, so that I can hang whatever I want, whether it's a rosette or a chandelier. There it is. And when I want to turn it on, it's very easy. You have access to the two sections that have to be twisted. And let's take it over to a room to see what it looks like inside the dollhouse. So here we go. We're gonna try to put it on inside the house and see what it looks like. Very simple, and the light is strong enough